Hey, it's Cosmo Solutions 8 here with your daily Google News. And today we're going to talk about Google Ads for affiliate marketing. If you were to ask me to answer in a word whether or not Google Ads works for affiliate marketing, my answer would surprise you, maybe, because it's no. The answer is no. Now, do I think that's a ubiquitous truth? Absolutely not. I think there's a ton of people making a ton of money using Google Ads as affiliates. However, you have to be an absolute crack marketer. As a matter of fact, our chief strategist, the co-owner of our business, my business partner, he's got 5 or 6 different affiliate campaigns running at any given time, and he does a phenomenal job. The issue there, though, is he's doing it himself. So, can you make money as an affiliate marketer using Google Ads? Yes, but you really need to know the ad platform. You're effectively day trading at that point. It's almost exactly what it is if you really think about it, because you're not doing anything from a fulfillment perspective. So when people come to us as prospects and they want to run affiliate campaigns using Google Ads and they want us to run it for them, that's when I know, gosh, I just don't think that this is going to work, because there's so many nuances to the practice and so much that needs to happen in terms of management. And the other issue is the vast majority of the time, you're at a massive disadvantage as an affiliate because you don't have all of the capabilities that a quote unquote normal business owner would have. Which is, for instance, conversion tracking being the most important. It's very rare that affiliates get the ability to track conversions. Post-click, you're effectively sending traffic to a page and then hoping that it converts and then making adjustments based off of what you're seeing from an affiliate payout way later. And there are ways to add color to that and to optimize based off of intrinsic qualification, especially if you're using things like display and YouTube and, campaign types that aren't just search. But I'd be really cautious about using Google Ads for affiliate marketing. And to be frank, the reason stems from the philosophical underpinnings of the whole affiliate concept. If Google Ads was easy or relatively easy to make work with whatever product it is or service that you've chosen to be an affiliate for, they'd be running that traffic themselves. They're going to go to the low-hanging fruit. And so handing you an affiliate product or service with a certain amount of margin presupposes that margin is less than the cost of the paid traffic in their experience. And you have to imagine that this business has made a strong attempt at running paid traffic, because that's the first place that everybody goes. So more often than not, they're banking on affiliates having lists or, organic reach replacement or, being influencers in a specific space. But trying to run paid traffic for affiliate models, I think is tough. I think it's tough. And generally speaking, as a rule, there have been a few exceptions. We don't take them as clients because it's so difficult that it's almost not even worth trying in so many instances. And even when it works, the market shifts so readily that, the odds of us being able to keep them as clients tends to be really, really slim. So, I don't want to talk you out of it wholesale. I think where it can work and where we've made it work, we're one of the largest affiliates for Go High Level, for instance. I think we're in their top 10, and all of our marketing is based on our YouTube channels and YouTube ads. So it's a paid placement, but it's value driven. So, Google Ads can work from that perspective, but trying to use Google search specifically, the costs are so high in most instances for any industry with, any amount of competition. And it's so difficult to optimize for, because there's no, unless you're able to track conversions, it's really difficult to identify key performance indicators to optimize for in the first place. I just think it's a tough approach. So I'm not going to tell you that it never works, but I will say I don't believe it's your low-hanging fruit. And I hope that's well received, and I'm not discouraging anybody. And by the way, if you disagree, let me know. Hit me in the comments, call me an idiot, shoot a response video. Maybe I'll have you on the channel and we can have a showdown. That'd be kind of fun. But from my perspective, I see it work so rarely that I just want to save people some time and some money. So if you're thinking about running Google Ads specifically to affiliate offers, I own a Google Ads agency where I regularly have bandwidth internally with our internal resources. We've got a team of, I forget what it is now, I think it's 14 specialists. We've got specialists with time on their hands. If it worked and if it was easy, I would just be doing that. I'd be saying like, hey, we don't have the clients to support this person's workload. Why don't we just have them run a couple of affiliate accounts or campaigns? And even if they're not super profitable, at least, sort of justifies payroll. And I think it's pretty telling that we don't do that. Now, you as an affiliate may know stuff I don't. You might have affiliate offers that aren't nearly as commoditized, or that are going out to markets, submarkets or buckets of traffic that they're blue ocean. And if that's the case, God bless you. Good on you. You're probably not watching this video, though. If you're watching this video and you're asking about Google Ads for affiliate marketing, it's because you're not sure and you're looking for somebody to help with some guidance. And I will say, unless you're one of those, crack assassins at Google Ads, or something that other folks don't, or you found kind of this wide open ecosystem that's relatively uncontested, I'd be really cautious with it. I hope that's helpful. I shoot a video every day. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give us a thumbs up. That lets YouTube know we actually know what we're doing. We shoot a video every single day. So if you want to be notified, hit that subscribe button. And if you have any input, don't hesitate to hit us up in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. We get very little human interaction. Thanks for supporting our channel, and hopefully I'll see you tomorrow.